That is a monster. Bear trout magnet hook. Boys, I got another. Hey, you might need minnows. No! He almost fell. No, Hunter. Well, you gotta board them. I got the board out here. All my fish, nothing. Fish to beat is 4 inches. Bunch of baby Jesus here. Well, not really baby Jesus. Yeah. Look, guys, there's a little Jesus in the corner. That's cool. Not.
Well, have you luck yet?
4.
Hey, that's not bad. That's better than most of my life. There's a couple guys see a couple pike. That's pretty much all I've heard of.
5 1/4 inches is the biggest one right now.
Well, how are you looking for wood here? Probably use a couple more pieces.
Alright, put a big ass split shot on there to get it down. This is it, boys. The rig to get all rigs. Yeah! When you go little itty bitty. Okay. There's a better one. There we go. Come on, you loser. Yeah, boy. I'm on the board now. Let's put me on the board now, boy. Everyone's gonna be switching to my method soon.
Are you using nothing?
1 split shot and a small hook. Ridiculously small hook. Boys, I'm freaking killing right now. In a world of dinks. Guys, I'm gonna clear out all the little ones for us. Someone's gotta do it. Yeah, that's a nice looking fish right there. Cute. Yeah, bud, you want them? You threw your last one out. Bigger would be nice. Yeah. As soon as I put it down the other hole. The little one, water's deceiving, that's for sure. But it's like 12 inches will be just absolutely floored. It'll be like, that's a pike. We'll think it's a pike. Because I mean, I got like a 6 or 7 and it was huge. Go? Huge. Sure you don't want them, Hunter? Giant, boys. Giant. I think that's bigger than 4 1/4. I think. Might be back, my baby. Something weird. Why is a big one that just like comes by and they're like, no? I mean, big being like a 6 or an absolute tank record. And I don't mind Hunter if you want to keep going. Raoul can leave by himself.
Want to keep going?
Not that he's not welcome to stay forever, but just call the bus for him. I mean, unless you got somewhere to be. I think what was last call for? We'd still be home by 5. It's not bad.
Maybe all the fish we went after the lane.
I hope so. Like if Raoul leaves and then like just a swarm comes in, we're gonna send pictures to him immediately. This is what you get when you're off the clock.
Yep.
Alright, well, I was gonna switch and then this guy left.
The 2 p.m. bite's gonna...
2 p.m. No. Well, honestly, the amount of people that are here on a Tuesday and that are still here, like, seem to be showing up to probably fish the afternoon. But I'd say it's getting kind of mucky out there. It's getting a little slushy. Come on, boy. You've been on that minnow for like 6 hours. What? You've been very dedicated to minnow, I'll give you that.
Guys.
Whole case over there to choose from. Like, top left was what I started with, in the red, yellow, or the green. And then I went to one below it, the red, the gold wrap on it. That was okay, but I'm a little tempted to go back to the first one. Maybe in the green, I think would be. You don't like but I think it looks good.
Yeah, that's really good.
By the time I just montaged 50 tiny ass perch together, I think that's probably enough for me. Like, to be like, you missed that shot. You definitely missed that shot. Because you want the hook, not the split shot. No, come for the egg. Yeah. Okay, egg is gonna go. Egg has got to go. That just cost me. The egg has cost me. That was a nice perch. Came in like mid-level to look at my split shot. Split shot. Dang it. Guarantee. Is it small? No. Well, I think it was nice seeing you today. Hope you enjoyed yourself, even though it's small.
Lake is open water. No one owns lake.
No one owns a lake. Yeah, and like, what do you think's the deal with $60 cash? How much of this do you think's claimed? I'm sure all of it. Yeah, all of it. Of course. You know how crap it'd be in here with 6? Even a 4th would be.
Yeah.
Like, let's be fair. Like, shoot. Right away. Dang, I hated that egg. Freaking winning, bud. That's what I do, my friend. They call me the assistant to the assistant. Regional manager. You want to see what this row? I'm like, no, yeah. Not anymore. Just double knot it and just clip your end.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to loop it back, but it was not what you could.
Oh, you want the freaking... I swear, I'm going to put a hook on my split shot soon. There we go. It's heating up now. Probably if you peek your head out and find one of those snowmobile guys. I'll give you a ride. You're not really packed up yet. Well, you got a kayak now. Now that I know that, I'm making a kayak poles to... Maybe Jason didn't show you. I'll show you a picture. Monster. I have to admit though, catching little guys, it's still fun. You put a green one on?
Yep.
Like, I've been running the red. That's the smallest perch known to man right there.
Wow.
Oh boy. Nice little cutie. Bye buddy. Good re-rig. If you want to try this one, he actually rigged a red fly, same as you had before. Hell, you did dead stick too. You have the stand. I put it out in the bucket if you want to use the stand. Honestly, they sit like on the bench. The distance is not bad. These are all freaking dinks, man.
Yep.
Like, when you feel like there's a monster, he's like a 4. Like I was saying earlier, like, I swear, if we see a 12, we're gonna poop ourselves. Like, it's gonna be huge. Even an 8 would be big. Like, that would look big. I understand the appeal of the bell on one, that's for sure. This kind of fishing, I don't know. You can never see it. You might not even set a bell off. The amount of misses.
I find it really hard to see this black one.
Yeah, maybe. I imagine it would be. Then again, he had like no bites on it. Men, I'd like to say, like, switching holes shouldn't matter because they're 4 feet apart. I feel like it does. Like, no, I'll move it over 2 feet. And the crowd's totally different. There's something flashy about that, right? It's like, I wonder if I tie something in line. Maxed out. These are bad little jigs. Decent weight to them, for sure. I can't catch with that, though. Now it'll work. Goodness for your knife.
Yeah, it looked great.
Pass me that leader line on your empty bottle on your right or left. Build a thing. I'm gonna build a thing, an inline thing. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a bit of a flasher. See? You just keep pulling. Just like sitting in the middle of the truck. But that someone is you. You did it! Wow. Oh, you gotta board them. Board's there. Let me help you with that. Better. Distracted. Bro, I gotta beat 5 1/4 myself, right? That's not 5 1/4. This is pretty much like sardine fishing. Like,
I guess that's why they're so small, because they suck at eating fish.
I mean, they might be that small because they suck at eating fish.
Like, that's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. I really am. I really try.
Mind with this fishing though, you can't like be sitting. Like you have to set this hook because they're not gonna forget.
Gotta be.
See, just so hard to see. You cooking the log? Get ready to go.
Yeah, I just threw one log in.
No, it feels nice. It's nice having that heat plus a cool breeze.
Yeah.